Hey guys, Dotson guys from MarineMax Charleston here to showcase our 2018 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. As you can see from the profile shot, we've got the optional low-rise bow rails, integrated coaming rails in the front. We've got the nice light blue hull color and the white Mercury Verado 300 to accent the white rub rail and stainless steel insert. We're going to move on forward inside now. Alrighty, moving now that we're in the inside of the boat, we're in the aft of the boat here. We've got a nice integrated bench. That Whaler has offered a secondary casting platform, but when you do want the comfortability, you pop up the center seat and you have storage underneath there. You have a freshwater washdown spray nozzle there, cup holders in the back. We also have the livewell option in the leaning post for here on this particular boat. Baby blue in there matching the exterior. Flip back-to-back seats so you can face aft if you're wanting to fishing, or you can convert it to a leaning post if you prefer to stand and drive. This particular boat's got the 9-inch Raymarine Axiom, as well as the Fusion system with the JL audio speakers. We've got trim tabs, as well as standard with the Verado series, the digital shifting, and as well as power steering over the hydraulics here. Moving down to the console, we have a plumb quarter potty option, and as well as your battery access down low. We've got the powder coated T-top with the hard top option on this particular boat, and as well as an integrated T-bag. Moving to the bow, we have a bait well to the nose, just in front of the console, which is the standard bait well. Moving to the bow, we have a huge casting platform with the bow filler option. This one just got it out of it, and then right now you can see the nice lounge setup. You just have pop-up backrest, and as well as storage under both sides. Port side for your rods, and the starboard side for your storage of your bags. Dedicated anchor storage in the nose. And this one has the trolling motor option. And we have a designated fish box and storage up here, so ample amounts of storage. These boxes are all insulated as well, being that the Boston Whaler is 100% foam filled. Guys, that's our 2018 240 Dauntless. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson with MarineMax Charleston. Thank you.